3D printing a lunar base. Imagine building a moon base with lunar soil. China's Chang'e 8 mission aims to 3D print bricks directly on the moon. Transporting materials is costly. Chang'e 8 will use lunar soil, cutting costs and expanding possibilities for lunar habitation. Scheduled for 2028, this mission is a crucial step towards China's International Lunar Research Station, ILRS. It's a game-changer for moon exploration. Ready to witness the future of space construction? Subscribe for more updates on lunar innovation and share this video.